I will never look at the sky the same way after this. Fighter jets slicing through the sky at breakneck speeds. The ultimate high-stakes game of tag, where one wrong move could mean disaster. These pilots, they're not just flying. They're dancing with danger. Now imagine you're in the cockpit, enemy jets on your tail, missiles locked, heart pounding, sweat dripping. You bank left, dive right, and soar straight up. The thrill, unmatched. The stakes, sky high. Every maneuver calculated, every second counts. It's not just a chase, it's a battle of wits and skill, and when the smoke clears, victory tastes oh so sweet. So next time you see a jet streak across the sky, remember this. Up there, it's not just about flying, it's about surviving and owning the skies.